Okay, so these are K2 lat pull downs. Essentially just handle lat pull downs. Instead of using a standard lat bar or a wide bar, you're going to use 2 rope or handle attachments like this, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to start directly underneath the handles, lean your torso slightly back to create a little bit of an angle, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my elbows straight down towards my own pockets like this, okay? Now you'll notice when I'm finishing, my elbows are not behind me. They're slightly in front of my ribs. That's where I want to finish, okay? And you'll also hopefully notice that there's a relatively straight line from my elbow to my hand right through to the end of the cable, okay? Right through to the bar. That's where I want to finish there. I don't want it to be an angle like this. I want it to be a completely straight line as much as I can, okay? So I'm like this, pulling straight down, squeezing, right back up, pulling it straight back down and squeezing. I want to make sure when I'm doing it that I'm nice and slow, that the elbows finish in front and not behind, so it's not a big range of motion, it's from here to about here, okay? And the final thing that's very, very important for engaging your lats is keeping the elbows tight. I do not want my elbows to flare out to the sides. I want them to be in a nice straight line throughout the movement. The tighter that I can keep my elbow to my ribs, the more I'm going to get the more engagement out of my lats, okay? So those are K2 lat pull downs. Handles, elbows drive down, release nice and slow, okay?